Okay, got a triangle. Redeye sent it to me, and pinned by West Coast Picks. Lock works. It's got a little catch in it, but that's common. I went ahead and almost took the back off. Let's see what I can do with it here. Works. It is locked up. Here's the bitting. Looks like a 5-pin. Neat little key. What did it say? Made in Canada. Okay. We'll try top of the keyway. It's got a lot of play in it. Let's see what we can do with it here. A little quick. I've been working so much lately. 7 days a week. A lot of those days I was by myself. So, not been able to do too many videos. Trying to get some more of these locks picked so I can get them out to people. Dan Brass, I'm gonna mail his out Monday. As soon as I can get some more locks, so I can get them sent out to Redeye. I got a couple to trade that he sent. He sent this one. Can't really send him back ones that he sent me. So if anybody's interested in trading some locks, let me know. And we're open. Yeah, let me know. And hopefully I'll have a bunch more picked by then. I don't really have time to make challenge locks myself per se. So I get people that send me locks, and those are the ones that I send out. And it's working as much as I've been working. Sometimes it's hard to get them out fast enough. But I do get them out. There we go. I have learned to definitely shim it when it's a West Coast pick lock. I got his package sent out yesterday, I believe. So he should be getting his pretty soon. There we go. Alright. Focus. Here's
Have you ever had
all the
alignment done
key
on like
pins.
yours or mom's cars?
All 5 work.
Sorry, I didn't know you were recording.
And that one looks like it's going to be a pin and pin. Looks like it's serrated. Serrated. Another serrated. Oh, okay. Let me get my tweezers. This had 3 sections on it. Looks like 2 and 4 are the only threaded chambers. That is tight. With that shim in there. There we go. Put that there. Okay. Nice deep spool. I can already tell. Looks like a pen and pin. T-pin. Yep. There's a spring. Last time I tried to do a video, my phone kept ringing. Christmas tree, or like I call them, wedding cake. But my phone kept ringing and kept cutting the video off, so I just had to give up on it. But working as a 24/7 locksmith, it happens. Okay. That's the middle. That's the end. Looks like a 3-piece. I can grab a hold of it. And another. Beautiful pins. West Coast Picks got a talent in making these pins. It kind of looks like it might have been in it, but I can't really see it. So let me see. I can feel small grooves, but I don't really think it's threaded. Alright. Here is this nice triangle. Get the key in there. And as you can see, pin and pin. And this one's got a little nub on the end of it, which I think it sandwiches in between the two. This one. the wedding cake or Christmas tree. I call them wedding cakes. That's what it looks like to me. Pen and pen, deep spool, serrated, and a 3-piece T-pin, pen and pen. That's a mouthful. And serrated. Alright. West Coast, beautiful lock. Redeye, thanks for sending it. And again, if anyone wants to trade, give me a shout. I got a couple of locks here right now, and like I said, I'm gonna keep picking. So everyone, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Check out Redeye and West Coast Picks. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.